Well, hello everyone. My name is Mark Lemke, and I am a spiritually independent thinker and writer whose material comes from the spiritual conscious mind and not from existing books or from existing beliefs. Now, I have a blog called Creative Thinking at marklemke.wordpress.com, and it features what I call a creation story. A few weeks ago, I submitted a video where I read the introduction to the creation story. And what follows the introduction is the formation of the universe. I call this part of the story the universal star theory. In my vision, the universe was created from a supernova or explosion of a single star. Now, I broke down the topics in the creation story into three categories. They are astronomical, functional, and spiritual wisdom. The astronomical category starts out with the universal star theory. The universal star theory is about 5 paragraphs long and takes about 5 minutes to read. So I'm going to read it for you. It said 5 minutes, 5 paragraphs, easy peasy. The formation of the universe, the universal star theory. Before the start of the current physical universe in an ancient nebula, dense gases flow through cold, empty space. These gases started to swirl and condense over time, forming a liquid gas sphere that existed within a high energy environment. It was the high energy environment that allowed the universe to form and incubate intelligent energy, and that is energy that can think. It was the liquid gas sphere that started the formation of the physical universe, though. Over time, the liquid gas sphere grew in size until the surrounding gases that fed it had depleted. After its depletion, the liquid gas sphere began to compress until fusion started due to its massive size, extreme weight, and internal pressures. Thus, the universal's first star was born, and we're calling this star the universal star. This colossal size star was proportionate to the diameter of the existing universe, much like our sun is proportionate to our solar system. It was also the beginning of light and the beginning stage of the universe itself. This star's enormous size caused it to burn very rapidly. The high temperatures and unimaginable pressures caused it to explode into a massive supernova. We know that when the life of a massive star ends, it compresses and then it explodes. The explosion is called a supernova. This explosion was the start of time for our universe and led to its shape. This giant supernova scattered hot gases and solid matter over billions of light years in previously empty space, leaving what science calls a neutron star. With nothing to feed this star anymore, the star cooled down relatively fast, leaving the universe with a massive solid sphere core. And this is what science calls a black hole. I'll have to get back to that a little bit later, though. The sheer weight of this solid sphere compressed the fabric of space and caused the gases and space debris to orbit around its now lightless center. It also gave the universe a disk shape, essentially the same shape as a galaxy. In my theories, the universe is simply a galaxy of galaxies, and I'll have to get back to that later too. Once again, the universe was dark. It remained dark until a new wave of stars started to form in the nebulas that was created by the universe's Big Bang, or what I call the big supernova. And just to be clear, what I'm calling the big supernova and what science is calling the Big Bang Theory is the exact same event. It's only the circumstances of the two events that are different. At this point, the universe had created mass that occupied previously empty space. So there you go. How the universe was formed in 5 paragraphs. Easy peasy. I'm not a very wordy person. I don't like to write a lot of words. In this theory, the universe is really a lot older than the 14 billion years that science thinks. The universe's Big Bang, or what I call a big supernova, happened about 14 billion years ago. But then you have the life of the star and the formation of the star, and there are just an infinite number of possibilities with this theory. And I'm actually going to conclude this video at this particular point. I like to keep these videos short and not too long. Now, my next video, I'll be talking about the galactic star theory, which is the next phase in the formation of the universe in my creation story. So there you have it. That is how the universe was formed in 5 minutes. That's all I have for you today. And I'll be making a new video in a few more weeks. So if you want to, you can come back in a few more weeks and we'll look at how galaxies were formed. We'll talk to you then. Bye.